Today I have a very special guest with me here. So Jerry Lee is the Logistic Market Director at Streamax Technology, a company that specializes in providing artificial intelligence and video-based safety management solutions for commercial vehicles. Jerry leads the Streamax product sales and technical support team to empower telematics service providers with video technology. Jerry's insights on video product planning, integration pathway, and go-to-market strategy has helped more than a dozen telematics solution providers launch their video telematics solutions since last 3 years. So Jerry, thanks so much for joining me today here on the stage, and welcome.
Thank you, Alenka. Nice to be here.
So the company you are actually part of, Streamax Technology, is really a market leader in the video telematics. On the upcoming event we will be running on 15th of December, you will be a keynote speaker at the virtual edition of the Telematics Central Eastern Europe, and you will talk about the video telematics field. And can you share with me today what are the main reasons for the telematics industry to capture this trend of video telematics, and how telematics solution providers should prepare for this this trend or these new technologies already used by many of companies? And on the other side, what the users, for example, transport and logistics companies, can benefit from using the video telematics besides all other technology already used by their companies?
Oh, absolutely. So first, in many of the markets that we operate, we have seen that video ability has become one of the most sought after features for telematic companies. And it has also become a very important differentiating factors when they're selecting which telematic service providers they would like to work with. And regarding to how telematic service providers can prepare for this trend, I think a good partnership will be the key to success in this market, because video telematic requires a completely different hardware and software architectures to provide the features in the right way. And it requires a good hardware manufacturer such as Streamax Technology to help you get the right hardware, the right feature set on the edge side to be able to better serve the market. And lastly, on the benefit of video telematics, I think the most important thing will be safety improvements and also the visibility onto the fleet's operation. Before, when we look at data coming from the telematic trackers, we know where they are. We know roughly how they are operating in terms of safety. But now with the introduction of videos and also machine vision technologies, we know exactly how the driver is performing when they're driving. Are they falling asleep? Are they distracted, or are they using their phone? So this will be captured automatically on the edge side. So it will provide additional data stream for the fleet managers to be able to see who is their best driver, what type of problems do they have in terms of safety in their fleet, and how they could manage it. And I think that will be the key benefit. And the videos also provides clarity in case of an accident. And whenever an accident happens, being able to see the videos will quickly allow the fleet managers to determine what has actually happened, and they could make strategies to handle the accidents based on the information they receive immediately, rather than going around and trying to figure out what happened. So I think those will be the key benefits in terms of video telematics.
Perfect. But with every new technology, there always are challenges facing it. So what, in your opinion, are the main, or is one main challenge facing the video telematics trends? It's actually the privacy policy, maybe the things that people are really not willing to be videotaped all the time, or do you have any of these obstacles on your way to make it the more popular and wide used?
Of course. So I do agree with you regarding to the privacies and people not being prone to captured by cameras. And I think that's true everywhere in the world. So in many cases, it doesn't have to be inward looking cameras. So you can opt for only having external cameras to capture the surrounding of the vehicles to avoid going into that type of conflict with the fleet, with the drivers. And technically, I would say the challenge in integrating with this new technology will be how to handle the data coming, the video data coming from the cameras, because video data are significantly larger than the data provided from the traditional trackers. So you need a new backend to handle the data inflow, and also a redesigned user interface for the fleet managers to be able to see the videos that has been captured and make sense of it, and also maybe a coaching or a training section that is based on the videos flows that is newly added for them to improve their driver's behavior.
So it's definitely an interesting technology trends and applications in the future, I believe, right? So the company Streamax Technology is attending our telematics conference and expo events for the first time this time. So far, in the past, we actually run many successful events throughout the Central and Eastern Europe, and also we run few events in Dubai as well. But what, in your opinion, looking from the side from the Streamax Technology, what are the main reasons to attend this kind of events, the industry-focused events, and maybe why you decided to become part of ours on 15th of December?
Well, I think it is a remarkable opportunity to be able to attend this type of events, because it's quite unique. A lot of the shows that we have seen often focus on the end users, which is the fleet. And this one is very specific towards the telematic industry. So I think it will be a great platform for us to get our message across, and to meet and network with the right people in the industry.
And for the end, because I want to have this into a very short and interesting, because we are slowly approaching the year of 2021. So we are ending this rather say specific and different year of 2020, where we are all focused on how to deal with the COVID-19 and how to overcome these obstacles and these challenges that the global situation are actually putting on us. But so because it's almost the end of the year, we all can make some wishes. So I would really like to ask you, is there anything that would you like to share with the people that are watching this interview? Any final thoughts, or maybe wishes or hopes for the future?
I would say the biggest hope that I have for the coming years will be our life getting back to normal, and then we can go back and travel again, and I can meet with today's attendees in person, so we can discuss business and have fun together. That would be my biggest wishes.
I think we all are missing already the in-person one, especially going around and meeting people and having fun. I think that's what you said. It's really what we're all looking forward to in the future as well. So Jerry, thanks so much for joining me today. It was really a pleasure to talk with you. And I'm really looking forward to meeting you on 15 December again at our event.
Thank you.